This is wood crusher. Wood crusher for big wood, you see, big wood. Big crusher. For knife sharpener. It's for buffer. There is a buffer. Buffer. Briquette machine. Very big briquette machine for 3 tons, 5 tons. Briquette machine. The combine air filter convenience. Oil grab. After the portable panel. Then delivery soon. For delivery soon. Workshop. Buffer. They are delivering today. Chamomile. Cyclone. Chamomile cyclone. We have a little cutter. It's a New Year gift. Building holding. Yeah. Grass cutter. Now, grass cutter orders are much more and more. Airlock. Big airlock. Yeah, you'll see. For printing room. For printing is also very dirty. You see, that is all.